Whoa, there's another one! Whoa! 3 bulldozers. I see 3 now. We were at the play center, playing, and then faintly, I could barely hear it, there was this little beeping. And he goes, "Was ist that?" He thought it was a garbage truck from the beeping. And just sprinted from the end of the play center, opened the gate, and wanted to go outside. No garbage trucks, but there are some bulldozers. Bulldozers going. Yes, it's picking up dirt, exactly. It digs the dirt and picks it up. Yeah, and it empties it too. We can't get any closer. We are not allowed to walk over there. So this is the closest we can get. No, we can't get any closer. What's on your hand? Tata. What's on your other hand?
Pumpkin.
A pumpkin. Because they stamped your hand at the place center. There's another one. We can't get any closer, but look at those huge wheels. And it's so dirty, isn't it? It's covered in dirt. Another one. There are so many. All driving around. All driving around. My hair looks horrendous. Bulldozers. The way you pronounce bulldozers is so cute. Can you say bulldozer? 2 bulldozers. Yeah, covered in dirt, digging up dirt. No, we can't get any closer than this. We have to stay on the path. It's very dangerous to get too close to a bulldozer. Look, they're huge. They could crush us. Ow! Yeah, that's not good. Oh, it's very close though, isn't it? Look how close it's getting. Whoa. It's so close. Look at that huge wheel. That wheel is taller than Tata.